Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay contactless with your phone using the Lloyds Bank. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Lloyds Bank app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look for the option labeled Cards. Tap on it to view all the cards linked to your account. Here, you will see your debit or credit card that you want to use for contactless payments. Next, select the option that says Apple Pay if you are using an iPhone. After tapping on Apple Pay, you will see an option to add to Apple Wallet. Tap on this and follow the instructions on your screen. You may need to confirm your details or enter a verification code sent to your phone. This step is important to make sure your card is securely added. If you are using an Android phone, the process is almost the same. Instead of choosing Apple Pay, you will select Google Pay. Then follow the instructions to add your card to Google Pay. Once your card is added, you can pay contactless by holding your phone near a card reader. Make sure your phone is unlocked when making a payment. This method is fast, simple, and secure for everyday purchases. Thanks for watching.